Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Welcome. So before getting started with any, sorry.
Actually, I tried with the business, Google Business, Devendra, but it shows this message entering the profile. I mean, e-market agency and e-market education. I tried actually. It's the business profile is already claimed by Ranjan. Okay, I think we cannot go ahead with that. Google My Business.
Just a second.
That sound is starting. Oh no.
Is it there?
No, it was there. Some demo was there right now.
Okay. Let's say I have picked this one. Satish, you have created one account. Which is that?
That is e-market agency Ranjan. Email account, na? Market agent Ranjan.
Perfect.
Yeah, correct. Yes. Indian channel. Okay.
A verification link would have gone to you. Can you share it with me, Satish?
Okay, I will check. Yeah, I got it actually. I will verify now. Yeah, I will verify now.
No, you have to. Okay. Can you forward that link to me?
Yeah, sure. I'll forward the email to you. Okay. Anyway, I'm verifying parallel. I got the password as well. Pinging in the details.
Yeah.
Okay. You should be able to log in here. 1 second. I pinged the details in the chat. The login details. So I pinged you in the chat, Devendra. You can take that password.
What was that mail ID that you are given?
E-market agency,
Sir.
Ranjan. Agency, Ranjan. Yeah.
Just once. Yeah. So, uh, Bangalore pin code.
Five 560,034 pin code.
56
0,034. Okay, why you not able to select the district actually?
Let me
It
see.
should repopulate some values. Okay. State is Karnataka.
Any alternate phone number? It's not optional. Okay.
Can you select the state na? I think it's invalid state you selected, I guess. Karnataka. No, the country is fine. The state. Yeah, click here na. Yeah, no. There is two Karnataka actually. That one, first one you need to select. Now it will select the district.
Any alternate phone number? Can anybody give?
I can give 97 40 2425 61.
So we need logos to fill out here.
URL address already used. Please enter different URL.
So is it been done on this site earlier? That's a
Yeah.
question.
Yeah, URL address already.
So Ashmita,
Yeah, tell me.
so this is the process. Only thing is you have to fill all the data, because since it's not accepting somewhere, we feel that maybe someone else would have already done this on this account. So maybe for that reason it
For
is
that
showing.
reason, it is not accepting, no?
Yes, but
Okay.
this is the process. This is how you have to fill all data out here. Then whatever is required, the mandatory one, *1, that you have to fill it out.
Hmm.
If you have got logos, you can attach banners, any images if you want to add,
Yes.
that also you can add it. And finally you have to agree, and you have to just add new business. So
Just go
once
little up. What is that? The content, no? We had copied that content, right? I mean,
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a description what we usually write, that I told you, no, that few things that if you are already pre-ready with, then it will reduce your time. So always before starting, you should be always ready with all these data while doing link building. So you just no need to write every time. You just can like copy this content and paste it.
Okay.
Okay.
So this description, though, we have to prepare, right? From our side, we have to prepare the description,
Yes.
right?
Yes. 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 Okay. So like this way, like once it is done.
So the ID, the account which we will create na here,
Yes.
that Gmail ID or something, it should not have another account, right? I mean, it should not get duplicate, right? or how it is, because it was not accepting na before.
No. For e-market education, already someone would have already done here.
Acha, acha,
It's
acha.
not about the Gmail what you are using.
Okay, okay. So it is already existing. No, that's the reason it is not accepting. I think.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
So this is the
No,
process.
no, no. Actually, asked me that at that. No, no, actually, at the day he was trying. No, Devendra was trying. It was
Ah,
that site was asking a professional email ID. I guess. Okay, I mean
right.
the officially. Yeah. Here now we're giving Gmail ID. It's accepting a Gmail ID.
Yes.
Mail ID is not a problem here.
Okay, okay, okay. So we can give any other ID also. Fine.
Yes.
Yes, yes, correct. Yeah. That's
Only thing is you have to just fill it up. Once everything
And we
is
have
done,
to, yeah.
agree to
I
the
agree
terms
to
and
that.
condition and add business. So it will accept. Then anytime you will having the credential, you can come, and if you want to do any editing in terms of changing these images, logos,
Mhm,
you can
mhm.
come out here and you can edit your business and you can do the editing also. If any content from here, if you want to add a little bit more or certain new images, let's say if you have come up with some
Updated something,
yes,
na?
updated something, some data, then you can just
Uh-huh.
also you can edit from here. You can edit your business profile. That's what. Fine.
Okay.
I
This is
think
for
business
business listing.
listing is a very
Yes.
good, you know,
Sorry, Satish.
business listing is a very good option, I guess. You know, get a business
Uh,
because at the day we are in, you know, giving some my phone number. I got immediately next to 2 to 3 calls from
yes,
a
yes,
local pages.
definitely you will get. The moment you will register from on this sites and all, they will start giving you calls in order to, because they also have this paid and paid promotion kind of stuff. So they will try to convert or to
Correct,
get
correct. Yes,
customers.
yes, yes.
Yes.
Right.
Fine, Ashmita.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is how you do the blog listing. Then already I think blog commenting, you know how it is done. I had
Yeah,
shown
you
you.
have shown already that how to do that.
Yes. So
But
which
I have a
activity?
question here. Devendra, I have a question.
Yes.
See, if you're the free websites, right? Free website promotions. So how long it will take to publish in the internet to visible
It depends upon.
audience?
We don't have a particular number like we can say. We have to check it. Keep on checking it when they accept it.
See, if it is a paid one, na, they will publish it
Immediately.
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 Okay, I'm
Yes.
talking about free
Immediately.
sites.
Yes.
Yeah.
Or else you have to in a couple of days again you have to come and you have to just check with the help of tools whether we have got that registration, or you have to directly come to this site and you have to see whether they, yeah, if you can put the search, you can see whether your brand is popping up or not. So any other activities that you want to be shown, Ashmita? Image, already Pinterest, I think Satish had done.
so that business listing, na, the directory one was only left, I think, that time, na, you were unable
That
to,
is submission, I think the same. Everything is same.
yeah, that is
Classified.
what, na, it has been, yeah, it has classified, something is there, no, business listing, then directory.
Devendra, I have a
Yes.
one. I need a clarification here
Yes.
actually. See, when I'm going through the YouTube, creating a directory submission, we need to fill a description. For example, if I'm creating daily 5 links, 5 directory submission for my market agency website, so I cannot copy the whatever mentioned in the it, na? I cannot copy the text. It will be duplication every time.
Yes.
I need to put my frame my own.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
Battery
Yes.
low, right? Somewhere.
Okay. Hope the sound doesn't come. That is my only query. Means problem.
Oh,
Yeah. Tell me,
one second.
Satish.
Yeah, actually, what I'm asking, See, daily I'm creating 5 backlinks for my e-market agency website. I should not copy that metadata description available in the e-market agency website.
No,
I should
no,
not paste it in my
yes,
backlinks. Na?
yes,
That's
yes,
actually. I need to frame it each and every time.
yes,
New one, na? Bit alternation. Correct,
yes,
right?
yes.
Okay. Actually, you can take this link for directory submissions. I think you submitx.com.
Can you share it? Okay, submit.
Submitx.com, yeah. It will ask no full detail actually.
Here the sites are a little bit different. We need some time to spend on it to see exactly what. Let me continue out here only. Satish, is Satish there?
I'm checking my email, Devendra.
Yes, yes.
I didn't receive any emails till now.
Check in spam or all mails. Sometimes it also doesn't go to the inbox.
Free ads, na?
Free ads.
It
Just
went
select
to
this
spam.
all. Just
I went
select
to
the
spam.
all mails in your mail.
I am trying to activate now. I click the link for activate. Okay. Now you can log in, Devendra.
So in this site, you can either do a post an ad, also sell a product, or list a business. So if you would have got any images, you can upload it here. Then free listing. Seven digit. So your ad has been posted. So here your business is already posted. Okay, it's submitted. Your ad means whatever you're trying to showcase, it has been done here. But they have also got some partner sites. So they are asking if you want to do on that partner sites also, you can go out here. In similar way, you can create the account and you can publish the business. Fine. So if I want to go and publish out one to here, the same thing, I have to create the account. Again, the same information I have to give and publish my ad also in that partner sites.
Devendra, I have a question here.
Yes.
Actually, yeah, actually, see what I shown, what I practiced, na, that kind of sites and all. They didn't ask this kind of details actually. What they asked was one email address, phone number, title, metadata description, website URL. That's it. But
So
what you selected, na,
that's
they
what
asked something different. Na?
it depends upon site to
Yeah.
site. Which information are they asking about?
Geographic location, some.
Yes, that is
Which
where
one
the
is better? Which one we can choose? This, how is it?
look. Only thing is, if you are giving any submission or trying to build any links, one is definitely what is the DA. DA of this particular where we are going and doing
Correct.
that.
That is okay.
That is one.
That is
Okay. And majorly that is
correct.
the biggest factor. Rest all, I think it has small matters and it depends upon whether those sites are, if you are getting definitely if you are choosing a good DA sites, naturally if they are getting, your site is getting published on here, then definitely some amount of link is getting built on your sites. So all these directory business listings, only the major thing that you have to come across is the DA.
Okay, then we have to concentrate on only DAs.
Yes, especially for this directories, business listing sites and classifieds, mainly focus on the DA.
Okay. Because you saw that's simple actually. Few information they are asking to submit. That's it. Publishing cover.
Ashmita,
that's
fine.
Why I asked actually. This is a bit different, na? What you shown. This
yes.
Yeah, fine. That's what I mean. Little confused.
On which part? Exactly on which part? You know the process. How I did, I just searched, I found out the site. The only thing I didn't do, only thing I didn't do was I didn't check the DA. But when you will be getting started, you have to check the DA. Rest all, yes, rest all, everything is there.
Fine.
Any other activity? Submissions are all similar, guys. Okay. Only challenge will be just finding out those particular sites and majorly focusing on the DA, good DA sites, and thereby creating your account and how choosing how or like what's the process to you should know in order to generate the links.
I have one more question, Devendra.
Yes.
See, for example, people are submitting a backlinks day by day. No? For example, we will take this site only example, freeadstime.org.
Hmm.
Thousands of people might be submitting a backlinks for this
Yes.
website.
Yes.
So we are choosing a very perfect IDS score site. No, these guys also will have some criteria to publish, push, create queue. I mean, priority basis.
Yes.
They will publish or show the ads, right?
Hmm.
What is the criteria they will follow actually?
Sorry. Just can you repeat?
No, actually, for example, today in this site, 1,000 members are posting
They are
ads,
doing the
okay?
registration.
Directory submission, okay?
Yes.
No, yeah, registration. No, which one will pick first? This guys. What is the criteria actually?
Or pushing your look, whatever the activity we did out here,
I
it
mean,
was
asking about quality actually.
yes. So whatever the activity we did out here was completely free. Correct?
Yeah, correct.
So they
Yeah.
also have the priority of payment. They also give the option of payment, paid advertisements. So majorly they will first
That is
purely
fine.
focus on
Okay.
the paid
No, I'm
part.
talking about free only. Free.
Free. Look, when you whether did you see it or not, I don't know. Prior to this page, we had an option. This link will only stay for 7 days in the free option.
Okay.
If you didn't observe while I clicked it, it showed me when I chose the options free listing and all. So in the beside that free, it was mentioned your link will be only submitted for 7 days on this site. After 7 days, it might happen that they will exclude.
Right.
Because majorly they are focusing on paid customers who can do paid advertisement on their sites. So their priority is major.
Okay.
Yes. So once you see that, okay, you have that option of free also, while doing the free, if you come across paid, so naturally when they are saying that your free publishing will only stay for 7 days, then naturally a user will think, okay, what's the use of getting 7 days? Maybe I can opt for the payment part. Correct?
Okay, fine. Yeah.
So quality backlinks really matters, no doubt. So only thing that in order to get a quality backlink is definitely one is first is finding that particular site where you want to do the implementation. That is one. Secondary is if you want to push a piece of content on a very good site, because if, naturally we are aiming for quality backlinks, so that hard work or whatever the strength has to be applied on that. It's not an easy task to get a quality backlinks from a very good site.
Okay.
Either your content, whatever you are trying to push, it should be of very high quality. Then only it will get accepted on high quality sites, high DA sites, thereby generating quality amount of backlinks for you.
Okay.
Ashmita, is it fine?
Yeah.
Okay. Sanup?
Yes, Devendra.
Yeah. Anything more? Any doubts or anything that you want to be shown or how it is done? Because most of the things I think we have covered. Shakti, anything else?
No, Debendra, actually, I will practice and I
Yes.
will ask you for doubts. Okay. Tomorrow.
When you keep on practicing, then only the doubts will come. Ashmita, what I'll suggest for you is
See,
try.
but I have one question.
Huh.
See, what I searched in some different sites for directory submission. What you searched in the Google, na? What type of keyword you used? Can you tell me? You got some different good quality kind of sites now for submitting. In Google, you might have typed something. Na?
I
Yeah,
tried.
how you got my info line? Yes, yeah. Business Bangalore. Okay, okay. You
I typed little bit more specific only for Bangalore location, which are the different listings that I can do either
okay?
classified or. So I wanted to do that. So location wise,
Okay, fine.
that also you can search. So let's say tomorrow, if you are, let's say if you are having an international project like that, a US based client, then you can search something like best business listing sites for US. So you can see.
Okay.
I have one doubt here.
Yes.
Like as you have typed the keyword, no, like business listing sites for Bangalore, right?
Huh.
And you have written some specific location,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So, but how we will do that? I mean, is it like the based on my website or my business? If it isn't based in this Bangalore, then we will target like that, or how it is?
Yes, exactly. Based on your business, services, or products, where your target customer is, so you can do a search on that
Okay.
also.
Okay.
So let's say if e-market education would be giving its services globally, then maybe you can type for different sites locations also.
So, for example, eMarket Education is having, they are having the main branch in Bangalore, and they have also extended to Hyderabad and Mumbai, for example. Okay, so in that case, how it will be? So, is it like separately we have to target separate location wise?
You can see two things are there. Let's say first you put business listing sites for Bangalore. So let's
Fine.
say you can get few results. Okay, you can see what are the sites. So after that, again, if you are coming and if you are putting this and if you are getting the same site, then you do not have to do it. But apart from that, if you find some extra sites that you can use.
So in that case, I cannot target like business listing sites in India or something like that.
Yes, that also you can type. This way also you can type. The only thing is maybe if you would have done for Bangalore location, there are some 10 locations or 10 sites you would have visited and done. And while coming to this site, again, if you find those 10, then you can exclude that.
So I think we can do step by step, no? If I'm not wrong.
Yes.
That will be better, I think.
Yes.
I can first go for Bangalore.
Specific location, then you can expand it.
Okay. Yeah, fine.
Fine. Anything else, guys? I think what I'll suggest you is get started with the activities. Then only you'll come across different challenges. You might, in that process, you will try to research and find out the answers also.
Like for the client base, now how you are keeping the records, right? You have shown us, right, last 2 to 3 classes. Like what is the present condition of that client. Then we have gone, or like that when we were doing for particular website, we can track like the present conditions, right, present situations where they are into right now.
Yes.
Then so on that basis we can target, right?
Yes, absolutely.
I really like the way it has been organized and it has been kept.
So thank you very much.
Yeah, because it gives more clarity. And say for example, if tomorrow somebody else want to view it, then they can get a thorough thing. I mean, it will be easy for them to understand.
Yep.
But my only question is to Anand. Anand, is all
Yes.
clear?
All clear. I'm able to understand.
All clear, Anand?
Yes, Devendra, it's all clear.
No, Ranjan here.
No, Ranjan.
Ranjan, yes.
Okay, I'm meeting you tomorrow. So when I meet you, I want you to show me some practical also in the car.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay,
Okay, so I'll be there by morning 9:30 over there at your place.
okay. 9:30, is it?
Yes, most probably I should be a little bit early at your place. Yeah.
Okay.
So whatever we were doing, I had tried maximize to give the inputs to all of you. Apart from that, if anything is missing out, I'll request Ranjan sir to end the session. Yes, Ranjan sir.
No, I think the reply from Asmita itself is convincing. Rest is Satish, Danu, Anand, or Asmita. Yeah.
Yeah, I want to do it practically, because I think practical tomorrow I'm going to do it. Then I will prepare something, like how he has shown to us. So like that way I want to start up, I mean, step by step, so that, it will be easy for me also, that what are the steps I'm following, and end of the thing, like it will be clear to me.
Great, awesome.
Yeah, the same thing, Ranjan. Actually, I practiced few things today, so I got some inputs with Devendra, right? So I'll refine my, practicing with proper way. Okay. So he suggested something. So I will I'll practice with
Great.
eMarket agency.
Yeah, perfectly fine. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm planning daily some few backlinks, different type of category of backlink
Activities and all.
tomorrow. Yes,
So
for
guys,
eMarket agency. Yes.
the most important part here is if you can plan a very good blog article or content article, which by itself is going to give you a lot of backlink. That's the best thing. Infographic designs, if you can really do some real good infographic design where you explain something very complicated in a very easy way through pictures. Second, and third thing will be like you trying to see a scope of adding your content in a website where you can expect backlink coming up in a very good way. I think if that's something you keep in your mind and do the work, because to be very frank, guys, I would love to sit and do even 9 hours of work on backlinking to see some growth for my clients or for my website and everything. Okay, I don't mind it, because end of the day, anything I do, I will definitely try to pull out a strategic way, a quality way, a good understanding way, a happiness that by doing these all things, I'm bringing up backlinks, and that is indirectly or directly helping my SEO grow. Because end of the day, I'm doing everything to see my results grow. I'm not looking at backlink, or I'm not looking at on page. I'm looking at what am I going to achieve if I'm doing all this thing. And that's all actually is going to keep all of us safe, secure with our business, with our work, with our performance, everything.
Ranjan, I have a question. I need a suggestion from you. Okay.
Yeah, please.
If, now we are practicing, right? We don't have a paid tool actually. From tomorrow, next 10 days, I'm posting some backlinks every day for see. Now, as per Devendra told, we can track if we have a paid tool actually. So can you give some access for some time for everyone for next 10 days, or after then you can revoke actually?
We will do one thing, no? I will give you the SEO Adda link, and you people can just create, you can have 1 month access also. It will cost you 550 rupees. I'll transfer the amount to your PhonePe account. You people can buy and you can let me know. 550. This is what Devendra also using it.
No. I think that tool gives you the package on 500. But if you want to use any particular tool, I think Ahref or SEMrush, it will hardly cost you 300 rupees per month.
Okay, great then. So what you can do is, Devendra,
Yes.
just share the link and all. Let them buy AHREFS, because end of the day you're going to only use AHREFS for sure in a very given. But one more thing is, what is that? You can buy and everything. Let me know. I'll transfer the amount to your phone pay account or Google Pay, whatever it is. Not a problem. Because you know why? Because we cannot create that, because you have to create from your IP address. If anyone is creating for you, your account will get blocked.
Only one user per IP address.
Yes.
Okay.
Actually,
you can use this
Ranjan,
in the chat. I have
see,
shared.
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
Yes, yes, please.
no, actually, whatever if resume Rashna, there should be some limitation with this current packages, right? That should be
Limitation in the sense?
We can't hear you.
yeah, a limitation in the sense, for example, you're using a Ahref tool. There you purchased some amount actually. Okay,
Yes.
so there should be some limitation. You can go ahead 3 to 4 members, so they can log in directly to with their mail ID. You can give that to them. They'll support whatever they want. They can do it.
No, that is not.
That's
We
what
are
I'm
not
trying to say.
directly buying a AHREFS account, because AHREFS per month is 8,000 rupees. Okay, 7,500 right now. So that's why we also personally do not use it, because SEMrush or AHRF is very, very costly. And these people give us the best feasibility because they have taken up some contract with them on a bulk one. So that is the best thing. And the free one will only allow you to work on it for 7 days, but there will be some challenges that some details you cannot see it. So the best thing is go ahead with SEO tool Adda, buy it, very cheap and everything, and let me know the pricing. I'll transfer.
Definitely not a problem. I will look into that.
Yeah, so no problem, no problem. You can just buy and everything. You can ask me. There's nothing to worry about, but because that's the part of your learning only. So
This is how it shows you also, like which particular tool will cost you whatever amount.
Because yesterday I only renewed my yesterday I renewed my account and everything. So we end of the day we need all these tools to be, especially we need these tools to be at our control and all, because the client will be asking something we have to showcase. So everything cannot be on the part of webmaster.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes, guys.
Okay. Ahref is I can buy Ahref. No, it is very 299 per month. It is
No, you do. Satish, do one thing, Satish. Go ahead and purchase this buy combo. Okay. Because what will happen now, all these tools in some way or the other, you can explore everything. You can explore PictoChart for designing and everything. So let me know the pricing. So in the end of the day, that's not a problem. But end of the day, don't constrain yourself, because if you have for 1 month all these things, somewhere you'll play with it and you'll understand something. So don't go with that way. Directly go and buy for the whole package. Buy combo, $599.
That will be best, I think. No, we can explore.
Don't go with a single one and all those things, because it's good to explore tools like because there are many tools for social media relevant. There are many tools for PPC relevant, keyword research. So buy everything. Buy it. You can go for 300. Another 300 rupees only we have to spend. Nothing to worry.
Okay, fine, sure.
Okay. Perfect. Yes. Anand, you?
Yes, Ranjan.
Hi, Anand. How are you? I have to request Anand to be a part of the class. So somebody will skip and all. So good. So anyway, Anand, we will meet up tomorrow. So we will anyway discuss. That's not a thing. And guys, you people can practice and all. And then if there is anything, just leave it back here.
Please.
Ranjan, I have only one question. The reason behind I'm asking, the course will be ending at as per the schedule August 5, is it?
Yeah.
After that, we will practice anyway.
That is already decided, because second week will be with the other subject. and we have got another 6 classes easily will be completing. Don't worry. We are
We have
SEO. Don't worry.
Covering social media, right?
we had a PPC class also, no? PPC is done. I mean,
No, he's talking about the SEO part.
okay.
No, I'm
I
asking
think he's
the
talking
entire-
about overall course. This one deadline, I think.
Completion.
Yeah.
Satish, I'm talking about overall.
Yeah, he's talking about overall because 5th August
Yeah,
is the
I'm asking
time.
overall.
Yeah.
No, Satish, because we had kept 1 month, this one, 5 weeks for the SEO, and then we will be taking another
Okay.
1 month for the PPC, and then another 1.5 weeks for the social media.
Yeah, right.
Yep.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, so it will the course will get completed by mid of September.
Right. Yeah.
SEO,
Okay.
PPC, social media marketing, everything.
That's what, because we are just now in SEO only, no? Yeah.
Yes. No, if you anyway, you have some plans. No, but don't worry. Like whatever you want to start, you get started. Don't worry about that.
Yeah.
Yeah, Satish, please go ahead. If you have something to ask, no problem.
No, that's it, Ranjit. Actually, I'm planning for something. Okay, I have to attend other trainings as well. I'm planning trainings with Siddharth Rajshekhar.
Okay, what is the timing then?
Timings will be there is a live session will be weekly 2 times only, evening after 7 to 8:30 or something.
Okay.
Weekly
So,
2 times live.
Okay. Keep me posted, or you can call me. Why we do one thing? Call me up. We will. Okay.
Sure, Ranjit, yeah.
Because your voice is not clear actually what you're trying to say. You call me up. We will understand things accordingly. We'll plan. Don't worry.
Okay, Ranjit, sure.
Yeah, you can call me immediately after class also. No problem.
Okay, Ranjit, sure.
Fine then, guys.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
So just practice, and if you still find any problem, anytime you can revert back to us.
Sure. Devendra, if you
Yes.
can share that first day class you have done now on link
I'll
building.
share it.
Yeah, the recordings if you can
Yes.
share.
Yes.
And Ranjan sir, I think few of the last classes recordings are left out. I think.
I think only yesterday's few sessions were not done. I think before to that, whatever two classes, all sessions are there, and today's it's also available.
Yeah, no, I'm saying to Ranjan sir, that we have done. No, I mean apart from backlinks.
I think the recording will be getting stored on your laptop. Whatever you're recording, are you doing it on cloud or you're doing it on your laptop?
I'm doing it on my laptop.
Yes.
You're talking about him, right?
Yeah, I'm talking about Devendra. So
I'm doing on laptop.
Okay,
computer.
so you would have already saved 2-3 videos.
Yes.
Yeah, just upload it on the YouTube channel.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then sir, I think some others there, no, before backlinks, 2 classes were there, I think. That one I need actually. If you can, help us with,
Done.
uploading in YouTube.
Because I did not save the name of that. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll sit for the thing. I'll do it.
Please, yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you. Satish, you can give me a call. Bye, guys. Bye.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah, I will call you.
Bye.
Yeah.
Thanks, everyone.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, everyone.
Yeah. Good
Thank you.
night.
Yeah.